Hello and welcome to our training video. In this video, you will learn how to match keypads to a receiver. You may wish to match keypads to a single receiver to reduce interference with other bases and devices on the same network. Matching may also increase voting speeds in a multi-room setup. In order to match keypads to the receiver, you will need our toolkit app. Please contact us at support@meridia.vote to receive a link to the toolkit app. Keep in mind, you'll need admin rights to run the app. It doesn't permanently install on the computer, and you may need to whitelist the app in your security software. Once you have opened the toolkit, connect to the receiver in USB or Ethernet mode. You will know that the base is connected if it is showing two blue lights on the front of the black display on the receiver itself. Then, switch the working mode of the receiver to match mode. After that, navigate to the Keypad Match tab. When you are ready to begin, select the Quick Match checkbox and press Start. In order to match a keypad, you will need to hold the Send button indicated by a paper plane and the 5E button at the bottom of the keypad simultaneously. During the process, you will see an L indicated on the LED screen, as well as an ascending number, which represents the channel the keypad is searching for. When matched, you will see an OK on the keypad LED display, and the keypad information will appear in the gray chart in the toolkit app. Also, you will see the matched keypad count at the top ascending. When you are finished matching your keypads, you may select the Stop button to stop matching, or the Clear button in the bottom right to clear the list. Thank you for watching this training on how to match keypads to a receiver. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.